and welcome. So today me and my husband will be going to IKEA because because me and my husband has no work. So wala kaming ginagawa every afternoon wala kaming ginagawa. So yan yung namin, maglalakad-lakad lang kami guys. So yung gagawin namin every hapon guys, maglalakad-lakad lang kami. Tapos naisipan ko, oh why not I will vlog IKEA. I will be touring you in IKEA. That's our video today. I will be touring you in IKEA here in Bordeaux, France. Kasi last time we malalakad lang namin. Papunta kami doon sa IKEA guys, pero malalakad lang siya. Kasi sobrang lapit lang ng IKEA dito sa amin. Nakikita ko nga siya dyan lang sa veranda. Nakikita ko na yung IKEA. Sobrang lapit lang guys, as in. So, lalakaran lang namin siya papunta doon. Tapos, pagbalik din namin, guys, maglalakad din kami dalawa ng asawa ko. So, what I'm saying, I will be touring you in IKEA. Last time we go to IKEA, but the problem is, I did not vlog. I did not vlog because napakadali lang yung pinuntahan. Napakadali lang talaga, guys, namin doon. Mayroon lang kaming binili. Not binili. Mayroon lang kaming tiningnan. Tapos wala doon sa IKEA. So, lumipat na kami sa ibang store. So, yun. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, ngayon, pupunta na kami, guys. Wala yung outfit ko. So, naka-slipper lang ako, guys. Slipper. Tapos, bag na ganito. Then, short. Napaka-simple. Kailangan lang siya i-tuck in dyan. So, tuck in is real. So, tuck in lang natin siya dyan. And then, it's already with glasses, even if it's already 5 p.m. It's afternoon already, guys. It's 5 p.m. So, let's go! So, we are already walking, guys. Going to the IKEA. IKEA is there. So yan yung entrance ng IKEA guys. Diba? IKEA. Ganda diba? Fake plant is 55. Super expensive. This one is already like 3,000 for that. But yeah, even this one is 55. But I like this one. So yan yung entrance guys. Ganda diba? Ganda ng idea nito guys. It's a really good idea mo naman. Really good. Magto-tour lang tayo guys. Sa tour lang to, tour. Hindi to bili. Kasi, why not? Maybe, kung may magustuhan kami. Ganda guys. Idea nito. Simple. Plain white. Tapos yung accent may mga ganyan red. Ganda. Din yung TV. How much is it? 79. Ayan. Ganda. Flower, fake flower. Let's go inside. Oh, ang ganda dito, guys. Ang ganda ng this one. Ganda dito, guys. Oh, lala. Pado. Ganda, guys. Ganda nito. I like this one. Surugad mo na mo. Wow. See, that the books is like that. It's really good. It's for baby here. What messy. Really good. Our light is still not. So good here. Like this mirror. How much is it? Oh, it's expensive, the mirror. Just like that, guys. Guys, this is my favorite of all kitchen that I see. This one. I like gray color. Gusto ko to. Ito yung ina-imagine ko. Kaso nga lang, na-imagine ko. Ang hirap din pala maglinis nito. Ina-imagine ko to, guys. Pero sobrang hirap pala linisin din ito. It's good. Mga kitchen yung pinapakita ko guys kasi mahilig talaga ako sa kitchen. See, ang ganda. Super nice. This one is the mirror guys that I want. Oh no, the light also. This combination is good. It's mirror here. This one.
This one is over there.
Yeah. This one is available. It's 29. But how can we stick that one in the... The IKEA guys has also cafeteria, but we can't enter because it's already 7 p.m. and it's already closed. This one is inside only guys, inside of IKEA. See that one, cafeteria. But we can buy like this if you want or something like that. Cookie. Eh, this one is 250 mo naman. I thought there it's 19 euro, no?
No.
I thought it's oh, yes, I thought that one. I saw it earlier there. Si Kwasa. Si Gato? No. Si Beske. Si oh, lala. I like this one. Iliajamo si stick. So guys, ang ganda ng plant na to. Gusto ko siyang bilhin. Ito yung bibilhin ko. Tapos yung sa asawa ko is cactus, kind of cactus. But what is the name of cactus? Succulent Gasteria. Gasteria. So, but we were looking for pot to put that one or to put that one, that small one. Too small? Maybe there. Ilya is it, no? No, it's not entering here. Too small? Or too big? Too big. Here. It's too big also? It's too small also. So I think it's big is okay.